What do you do if you're a couple of educators looking to make a big difference in the way people teach and learn?
Well, you could start a company. You start small and look for team members and partners who share your goals.
You build experiences that engage as many different kinds of teachers, trainers, and learners as possible.
You never stop learning yourself and get excited to see positive change.
You find new ways to deliver learning experiences and to measure success.
You get inspired by each new opportunity and you celebrate each new step.
We are Enable Education,
And we are revolutionary,
ethical,
curious,
inclusive,
passionate.
and effective. This year, we are celebrating 15 years.
And we're ready for whatever comes next.